Shortcut keys: Ctrl A, select all. Ctrl B, bold. Ctrl C, copy. Ctrl D, font. Ctrl E, center. Ctrl F, find. Ctrl G, go to. Ctrl H, replace. Ctrl I, italic. Ctrl J, justified. Ctrl K, hyperlink. Ctrl L, left alignment. Ctrl M, paragraph indent. Ctrl N, new file. Ctrl O, open. Ctrl P, print. Ctrl Q, add space after paragraph. Ctrl R, reload right alignment. Ctrl S, save. Ctrl T, tab option. Ctrl U, underline. Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl W, close. Ctrl X, cut. Ctrl Y, repeat, redo. Ctrl Z, undo. Subscribe.